I'm going to show you how to make the lobster noodle. I'm using 2 frozen lobster tail. What I do is I cut the lobster half and put it in the oven for 18 minutes, 425 degrees for 18 minutes. Then I just get the meat out from the lobster like this. So I cut slice into pieces. The lobster tail is not, the frozen lobster tail is not good for stir fry. The meat will turn out really tough, but put it in the oven, it tastes really good. Okay, then I have about 8 ounces of noodle, 3 ounces of bean sprout, 1 ounce of red pepper, and half ounce of green onion. For the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Just put it in it. And 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Then just mix. And also I'm using 1 teaspoon of called XO sauce. The bottle like this. You can get any Asian grocery store, they have it over there. Okay, now I turn on the oil, turn on the wok, put some little bit oil in it. Okay, I put about a little bit oil in it. Then I put some green onion in it. Then I put the XO sauce in it. Then I put the bean sprout in it. I'll put the red pepper in it. Okay, it looks good. I smell there's a little bit spicy in it. Okay, now I'll put the salt in it. I'll put the lobster in it too. The lobster already cooked, that's why I put the lobster in the last. Okay. Okay, this is all done. Let me get it. So they turn off the heat. Okay, this is all done. This is how I make today the lobster noodle.